Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. If you're appearing for MAT 2026, either PBT or CBT, this video will guide you on step by step how to download your MAT admit card without any confusion. So let's get started. Now let's see why MAT admit card is important. Your MAT admit card is a mandatory document for entry into the exam hall. Without it, you will not be allowed to appear for the exam. It contains important details like your exam date, reporting time, test center address, and your roll number. You must carry it along with the valid photo ID proof for verification. Here are the key dates you should remember. For the PBT, the exam is scheduled for 1st March 2026 and the admit card will be released on February 26, 2026. For the computer-based test, the CBT, the exam will be held on 8th March 2026 and the admit card will be available from 5th March 2026. We recommend you to download your admit card as soon as it is released to avoid any last-minute issues. Now let's see how to download your MAT admit card. To download your MAT admit card, the process for PBT and CBT is the same. First, visit the official MAT website. On the home page, click on the download admit card link once it is active. Make sure you are on the official AIMA website to avoid any fake or fraudulent links. Now, log in using your registered email or password or date of birth. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forget Password and reset it before downloading the admit card. Your admit card will be displayed on your screen. Carefully verify all the details displayed on your admit card. Download the PDF and print at least 2 clear copies on A4 paper. Keep 1 copy as a backup. Before printing, check these details carefully: your name and date of birth, registration and roll number, exam date and reporting time, test center address, your photograph and signature clarity. If anything is incorrect, take immediate action. Now let's see the exam day guidelines of MAT exam 2026. On exam day, carry 2 printed copies of your admit card, a valid government issued photo ID such as Aadhaar, PAN, passport, voter ID or driving license. Reach the exam center at least 1 hour before reporting time. Remember, exam center changes are not allowed after the admit card release. If you find any error in your name, photograph, exam city or any other detail, immediately contact. Here are some final advice from College Dunia. Download your admit card early, keep your login credentials safe, continue practicing mock tests and stay updated with the latest MAT 2026 notifications on College Dunia. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to College Dunia for more exam updates and preparation tips. All the best for your MAT 2026 exam.